How to add eSIM on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add or activate eSIM on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you'll have to confirm that your iPhone will support eSIM or not. Compatible models like including iPhone XS, XR, from 11 to latest iPhone, it will support eSIM on your iPhone. So after you confirm it, you'll have to open settings on your iPhone. Alright, after you open settings, tap on cellular data. From the cellular section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option add eSIM. Alright, tap on add eSIM. From this section, you can easily add your eSIM. For that, tap on use QR code, or you can also directly transfer from your old or any other iPhone, transfer using nearby iPhone. So if you want to transfer any eSIM, you can go with that option. Right now, we are going through the option use QR code. Alright, from this section, you'll have to just scan the QR code from your carrier in the frame like your eSIM QR code. After you scan your QR code of eSIM, it will automatically add that eSIM on your iPhone, or you can also directly enter the details manually by tapping on the option enter details manually at the bottom. Alright, from your you'll have to just enter the activation code like activation information by your SMDP plus address, activation code, and at last confirmation code. And after you provide all of the details here, tap on the option next, just at the top right. And after you add such details from here, you will be able to add your eSIM on your any iPhone that will support that. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.